Hello, yet again. Welcome back to our continuing series in lame videos on how to make simple books. Today we're going to do another folded book. It's very simple. And you can do this with any size piece of paper. I'm just doing this with some scrap that I have that's a little bit smaller, just so it'll fit under the camera. What you want to do is, with whatever sheet of paper you have, you'll need 12 pieces of paper, whatever size. And what you want to do is take them and you want to fold them in half like this. Do your standard fold and take two and nest them like that. Through the magic of magic and other things and nothing, I've gone ahead and prepared some more of these. So in here I have two nested pieces, so you'll need 6 of these sets here like that. There's the other 3, so 3 and 3, a total of 12 pieces. All right, on one set of these pieces of paper, take them and go ahead and cradle in 3 sets. That'll give you 6 pieces of paper stacked. So go ahead and open it up, and you can get your ruler if you want, but you just want to make a mark in the center of the book, about like that. Okay, I'll show you what we're going to do, and then leave that like that. Then I would say get out of your other set, take it and set it down in the center. Try to line it up best you can, and then maybe make a mark here and here, so that way we'll mark our center like this. I mean, kind of relative to that, if that makes sense. See that? There and there. And then go ahead and take that and cradle it into the other set of paper over here. It would help if I was a little more dexterous, but I'm not, so my apologies. All right, so set that aside for now. Take this one, stack it up pretty straight, and get your straight edge and your knife. And again, ask an adult or guardian if you need help with this, but be careful. So line up your straight edge and your blade and go ahead and cut that line. Try to go through all your sheets of paper. You might have to do it a couple of times on there. So now we have an opening like that. Okay, set that aside, then go get this piece or this stack of paper over here. Get them lined up pretty good. I'm going to freehand this one. Could be disastrous, and you know what? What's life without a little bit of disaster? But if you're not sure, use your straight edge. I'm going to cut that all the way through. Here, all the way through. And it's good to keep all your paper the same size. You can see this is a little bit off, but we can trim that up later. So when you have all that cut, go ahead and separate them back out into lots of 2, like you had originally, like that. 1, 2. All right, there we go. All right, so you take one set like this, and one set like that. So the one with the 2 slots on the edge, take that and kind of fold them real loosely like that. And you want to slide it in through that slot right there. And unwrap it. And now we have this kind of interlocking section here. So we're starting to make sections of books. So set that aside like that. Get you another set. Pull that through if it'll cooperate. Okay, there you have that set, and then we'll do this final set here. So with that, we're creating these signatures or sections. Sections of books are usually called signatures, by the way. Handy hint to know and share. Put that in. So we end up with, was it 16 pages maybe in this? If I can get that through there. Yeah, just be gentle and just work it through. So we have these sections here. So what we're going to do now is take this section here and again fold it over and maybe go to the back side of one of the previous ones and go and slide that one through like that. And now we've connected that series onto there. And then again, we'll try that. Here we go. Make sure I find the right one. So there. Take that. Take that slot there. And certainly the paper will get a little bit rumpled, but that's okay. So now we've connected all those sections, and you can kind of tamp it down a little bit, make it square. But now how many do we have? 1, 2. We got a little book like that. So if you don't like those rough edges, what you can always do is take your knife and again, with the permission of an adult or help, just stack it and just cut straight down and trim off the ragged edges. Sometimes I don't mind the ragged edges, but it's kind of up to taste. And you can do that on the sides also. And maybe I'll show you all how to do a cover later. So there you have it. Yay. Bye-bye.